Millions of people live with the daily stiffness, swelling, and chronic pain of arthritis that limits their lives. But what if a common kitchen spice worked as well as some NSAIDs, without the common gastrointestinal side effects? This isn't about one miracle cure. It's about a different method for managing arthritis at its source. Naturopathic medicine asks, what is causing the inflammation? The answer might be in a place you'd never expect. We'll break down the naturopathic strategy, from food and botanicals to the surprising gut-joint connection. First, understand that arthritis is a disease of inflammation. Conventional treatments often mask pain but may not address the fire's source. The naturopathic method starts with the fuel you use every day. The goal is simple: reduce inflammatory inputs and add anti-inflammatory ones. This is proven. Eliminating processed foods and refined sugar is shown to lower inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein in the blood. So we know diet is the foundation. But which foods are the power players? Let's examine the science behind specific anti-inflammatory nutrients. Omega-3s, found in fatty fish and flaxseed, are vital. They actively interfere with the body's inflammation-producing chemical pathways. For some people, certain foods act like gasoline on the fire. Removing personal triggers like gluten or nightshades can bring significant relief. But this goes deeper than food. We need to discuss your gut. How can your intestinal health possibly affect pain in your hands or knees? Your gut lining is a barrier, controlling what enters your bloodstream. When this barrier is weak, a condition called leaky gut can occur. It's also about the inhabitants. We now know the gut microbiome in arthritis patients is very different from that of healthy individuals. This understanding is profound. It means managing arthritis isn't just about the joint. It's about healing the gut to calm the immune system. With a calmer system, we can use potent botanicals not just for pain, but to actively resolve inflammation on specific biochemical pathways. We've covered the why. Now let's look at the what. Which are some of the most well-researched natural compounds for arthritis? Turmeric containing curcumin. It blocks multiple inflammatory pathways, including COX2, the same target as many common NSAIDs. Boswellia, or frankincense. It targets a different pathway called 5-LOX, making it a great functional complement to curcumin. Vitamin D. It's a hormone that modulates the immune system. Deficiency is strongly linked to autoimmune arthritis. Glucosamine and chondroitin. These supply the literal building blocks needed to help support and maintain healthy cartilage structure. These tools are powerful, but a true multi-system method goes beyond what you swallow. Let's look at two factors that make or break your progress. Remember our question: how does the gut affect the knee? By healing the gut's barrier, you cut off a major source of systemic inflammation. The first factor is stress. It's not just in your head. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, which paradoxically fuels inflammation. This is why mind-body practices are a direct intervention. Meditation and deep breathing are proven to lower cortisol and break the pain cycle. The second factor is movement. The old idea was to rest a painful joint, but we now know that motion is lotion. Gentle movement is necessary. Tai Chi can improve balance and reduce pain perception. Acupuncture is shown to trigger the release of your body's own natural pain relievers. Now, let's connect the dots. That anti-inflammatory diet we discussed directly feeds good gut bacteria and helps repair the gut barrier. And those powerful botanicals are far more effective when you also manage stress. You can't put out a fire while adding cortisol-driven fuel. This is the naturopathic system in action. Use diet to heal the gut, botanicals to target inflammation, and mind-body therapies to restore function. It's not one single magic bullet. It is a multi-system strategy that addresses the causes of arthritis on several fronts at the same time. So, naturopathic treatment for arthritis is a well-supported method. It offers relief by rebalancing the underlying systems driving the disease. As we've seen from the gut to the mind, these treatments offer distinct and effective ways to manage symptoms and address root causes. This can be a powerful complement to conventional care. Always work with a qualified healthcare professional to build a plan that is right for you. Ready to begin? Start with one small step. Add a serving of berries or a piece of salmon to your meal today. Subscribe for more health insights.